In this video, we will create various patterns using a ready-made polygon. Let's start by drawing a polygon shape. Convert the polygon into curves to be able to fully edit its shape. Using Edit Nodes mode, you can easily edit the polygon shape. We'll show you how to do it later for many shapes at the same time. Now, select the polygon and apply a rectangular array. Define horizontal and vertical copies. Adjust spacing between the copies. Using the rotation of copies, you can modify the pattern. When you are done with editing, make sure that Clone Objects option is enabled and apply the array. Just like that, we have created this pattern. Now, if you edit the shape of any polygon, all others are affected as well. In this way, you can create multiple variations of just one pattern.